Hello friends, welcome back and thank you very much for watching. So today I have this makeup tutorial for you for this look, and basically I wanted to create a look using this liquid lipstick, this very intense blue. So this is kind of my idea of a eye makeup that I would wear with this kind of color on my lips. So yeah, I hope you like it and let's get started. Okay dokie, so today I'm starting with my eyes and I will apply my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the color C4. I'm still not sure if I like this or not, but yeah, I need to test it more. But this works great as a base on my eyelids. I will take this shade called Tea Light, which as you can see is used and loved, and I will apply this all over. This will be my base shade. All the other, products will blend easier. Even though I work with cream shadow today, I like to apply this as a base anyway. Now in the crease I will use this cream shadow called Brady. This is from ColourPop. It's very interesting, like a mixture of mauve and a neutral brown. So it's like in between. And I'm applying this with my Viva 228 brush, and this will just define my crease. It'll be my transition shade. And now going back with the Tea Light shade, I will just blend any harsh lines in here, make it a bit more smooth, this transition. And since the ColourPop shadows, they when they set, they're more like a powdery finish. You can definitely work with powders on top of them. For the eyelid, I will use this Pony Effect Unlimited Cream Shadow in FutureProof. It's a gorgeous, like bronzy, lighter bronzy shade. And this will be my base for the pigment I will use later. And I'm using a Viva 234 brush to apply this. I really like these cream shadows. They work great just on their own or before pigments or any other like metallic-y shadows. And now on top, really fast, I will use this Inglot AMC pigment. This is in 24. It's gorgeous. Just look at this color. And these pigments, again, are my favorites because they're a bit more of a chunky consistency. And they give me that really high shine that I love. You can see, bye-bye. Okay, now to darken a little bit this whole ensemble, I will use this shade from the Dots of Colors palette. It's a dark chocolate brown, very intense, with my high quality 5523 brush. And I will apply this really lightly in here, just in the crease and outer V. And now mascara, my Push Up Volume from Bourjois. Okay guys, so I just finished my eyebrows. I popped on some false lashes and I'm using these lashes from Primark, from the exclusive Primark lashes collection, and they were £5. They're okay, but the band is a bit more hard, so you need to break it up a little bit in the beginning and then apply the lashes, but they look okay. Moving on to the face, the rest of the face. I have here something that I wanted to try for ages, and I know Kathleen really likes this. I know a lot of other YouTubers really like this product, and it's this HangoveRX primer from Too Faced. And this is how it looks like. I'm sure you're already familiar with this packaging, and I wanted to try this also because a lot of people love it and it's silicone free. So this should be a good primer even for like everyday use. So I will just spread a little bit of this all over. And many people say actually that this will prolong your makeup as well as give you that hydration that your skin needs. So that like a perfect combination, you will get that hydration so your skin looks really nice, not dry, flaky, and you also get this long-lasting effect. As my foundation, surprise surprise, I'm mixing 16 brand foundation from Chosungah 22. with Infallible Pro Matte, and of course a drop of my iconic London highlighter illuminator thing. And I will just apply this with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques all over my face. I really like this combo. Now concealer, my Cinema Secrets palette, and I will use this peachy shade from here, and I will apply this straight with my fingers to warm the product, make it a bit more flexible in a way, and then I will just blend it with my beauty sponge again. And now on top, a little bit of my corrector concealer from Makeup Revolution that I used on my eyes as well. Now I will apply a little bit of my Mercier translucent setting powder with my sponge just underneath my eyes. And then just a little bit on my T-zone. Okay, now I'll finish with my eyes. I will use Brady again, and I will apply it on my lower eyelid and some mascara. Now contouring my face with my Senna Cosmetics Raw Amber shade from the 90s Nude Revolution palette. A little bit of bronzer, my Girlactik bronzer in Cabo, which unfortunately it's like this, but it's one of my favorite bronzers. And I'm using this deluxe kabuki brush from Ray Morris to apply this, so I'm applying it just on top of my sculpting. Now as a highlighter, I will use the Amrezy and Beverly Hills collaboration highlighter, which is gorgeous. And for the lips, Nocturnal liquid lipstick by Beverly Hills.